here we go.
Yeah.
What makes these databases and information systems special is that they work with location, distance, and spatial interaction. If you change location, the information content changes and you answer a locational question. The main elements of spatial analysis include, first one is geovisualization. Geovisualization. Geovisualization, which is a branch within visualization that has a geospatial component to it, and mapping to show patterns of interest. Exploratory, EXPLORATORY, spatial data analysis is used to discover interesting patterns in the data and extract, EXTRACT, or take away meaningful information from it. Spatial modeling can help explain the cause of those patterns. Optimize, OPTIMIZE, can optimize something's location and runs simulations. SIMULATIONS, can run simulations to help predict the outcome of spatial processes. Some examples of the practical application of spatial perspective include using infrared remote sensing imagery. Farmers can monitor the crops in their fields and determine the best timing for applying fertilizer in specific locations. Planners can determine the optimum is OPTIMUM, or the best location for high occupancy vehicle lanes and traffic lights to relieve congestion by modeling traffic on a city's road and highway network. Using spatial perspective can also be as simple as using an online map to find the closest coffee shop. We do that all the time.
Yeah.
We use our maps to find the closest burger place.
Yeah.
You don't really like coffee, but you do like hamburgers when we're traveling, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get our bodies warmed up this morning.
Yeah.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's spell location. L and O and get those eyes up. You got it.
Yeah.
You gotta get there. Hit that O, and go right to it.
Nope.
You got it. Location. Hit that O, and get there. You got it. C and A and find it. T and go. I and O and N. Good job. Bring that arm back to give your body time.
Yeah.
Alright, let's spell vehicle. Those bodies moving. V and E and find it.
Yeah.
Put your eyes there. E and right to it. Next door.
Yeah.
You got it.
Yeah.
H and I and C and right to it. Go. L and E. Very good.
Yeah.
Alright, let's spell optimize. O and P and only one P on that. You got it. Keep going. What comes after P? Yep. T and those eyes up. Yep. I and find your letter.
Yeah.
Got it? Hit that I for me. I and M and I and all the way. Get it. Get there. All the way. Z and E. Optimize. All right. Let's see. Since this is in the middle of the lesson, I made the first question kind of hard. So we're going to do a couple easier questions first and then come back to it just to get our body warmed up. So we talked about geovisualization and mapping and how they show blank of interest.
Yeah.
Get those eyes over. Go. P and A and find it. T. Yep, two of those. T and go. Gotta get those eyes moving. Hit that T. T and right to it. E and go. R and N and you got it. Find your letter.
Yeah.
N and S. Patterns of interest.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What type of spatial data analysis is used to discover patterns in the data.
Some.
You gotta get your eyes there.
Yeah.
E. And good. Got your eyes down. You got it. Go, go, go. After E. Right. Keep going. Here. You got it. Keep going.
Yeah.
Say that E for me. E. And go right to your letter. Get it. Next door.
Yeah.
You got this. Bring your elbow back. E. And you're all around it. You just got to get your body down there. It's not a letter we hit very often, so that's why it's tricky.
Yeah.
All right, hit that E for me. E. And right to it.
S.
Not S, but
T.
you're looking at it. You just got to get your body down there.
R.
Don't use your mouth. Use your body. Get all the way down. Find it. X. There it is. Let's do it from the start and we'll hit it. Good. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, elbow back. Hit that E. E. And X. And P. And L. And O. And R. And get it. A. And T. And O. And find it. You got it. R. And all the way. Y. Exploratory. Nicely done.
Yeah.
Had to work for that X, huh?
Yeah.
You got it. All right. Spatial analysis databases are special because they work with what three things? Spatial interaction was one of them. What was the other two? Let me get a little bit easier for you.
I don't know.
You got it. Get your eyes there. You got it. Bring that pencil back. Go right to it.
9.
You're right there. Get it.
D.
You ready?
Yeah.
Go right to it. You got it. You're right there. D. And I. And S. And T. And go, go, go. A. And find it. N. Yep. And get those eyes up. You got it. You ready? Elbow back. N. And C. And E. Distance, right? So that was one. We had spatial interaction. Distance. What was the last one?
I don't
I'm going to reset
know.
the board so you're looking at your board before you poke. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, find your letter. Go right to it. Go, go, go.
Yeah.
You got this. Don't hit I. Doesn't start with, there's not a lot of words that start with I. You've been going to I lately.
Yeah.
You gotta get your arm calm before you find your letter with your eyes.
Yeah.
All right, go right there. Find your letter. You're right there. Get it.
L.
And O. And C. And A. And get it. You're right there. T. And I. And O. And N. Location. Nicely done. Distance and location.
Yeah.
All right. In the lesson, there was a word they used that means take away. What was that word?
Some.
Get your eyes there. Go, go, go.
Yeah.
Find your letter first. Get your board and go right to it. E. And find your letter. Get there. You gotta get all the way down. So I picked this word. You ready?
Yeah.
E and X. There we go. X and T and find it. You got it. Do little pokes. No tracing. Hit that T for me. T and you got it.
L.
Nope. EXT. Next letter.
P.
Right to it. You want me to write it for you so you
Yeah.
can see it? You ready?
Yeah.
Hit the T for me. I'm going right to it. T, then you got it. Find your letter. You
G.
gotta get your body down there. You got this. Keep going.
W.
Don't say it with your mouth because that's confusing your body.
Yeah.
I want you to use your arm. Trust your body. You've got this. Hit that T for me. T, and right to it. Get there. R. There it is. A, and C, and you're right there. Get it. T. Extract. Extract.
Hey.
Nicely done. All right. The three main elements of spatial analysis are geovisualization, exploratory spatial data analysis, and what was the last one? 2 words. Let's go. You got this. Get your eyes there. Keep going. You ready?
Yeah.
Find your letter. Go right to it. Get there. You've gone all around it. You gotta get your body on the right one. You got this. Go right to it. Look, 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 and go.
Yeah.
Bring it down here. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, you got it. Right to it. Go, go, go. There it is. S and P and A and find it. Get there. T and I and all the way. A and get your letter. You got it.
Yeah.
A, then bring that elbow back. Give yourself lots of room to find your letter. Hit that A, and last letter, L. Spatial, what's the second word? You got it. M, and O, and D, and E, and find your letter. You gotta slow your body down.
Yeah.
E, and right to it.
Mm.
Write it out for you.
Yeah.
Spatial. Alright, M-O-D-E, next letter, go right to it. You got it, right there. You were looking right at it, you just gotta get your arm there, you got this. Go, go, go.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
E, then
P.
find your letter with your body. Go, go, go.
Nope.
You got this.
Yeah.
Right to it. So instead of leaning over, remember that's one of the things the vision person told us, when your eyes start to get tired, you start to lean.
Yeah.
So we're gonna really practice on keeping nice up straight. Because when you lean, what ends up happening is you're using this eye more than this eye. And that was something she taught us yesterday. So I'm gonna really practice on resetting the board. If I see you start to lean, I'm gonna move the board because that makes it really hard for your body to get to the right letter. So use both eyes and stay up nice and straight.
Yeah.
You ready? All right, so we're on M-O-D-E. So why don't you hit the E for me? E, and next letter, go right to it. L, and got it. You got it, get there. You're right there. L, and I, and N, and look, 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 go right to it.
Yeah.
You ready? Elbow back.
Yeah.
Head straight. The N, I, N, G. Nice. Spatial modeling. Very good. Let's see. What was the word they used for the best? They wanted to determine the best location. They used a different word for best. Can you spell it for me?
Yeah. B-I-S-T.
I don't want you to spell best. What's the word the lesson used for best? You got it. O, and get your eyes there. Nice and tall. Keep that head straight. O, and right to it. P, and find it. Get your body there.
Yeah.
P, and you're right there. Slow yourself down. You ready? O, P, right to it. Go, go, go. T, and I, and M, and all the way. Get there. U, and M. Optimum.
Dine.
All right, let's read our next section. Spatial perspective example. It says, perhaps the most classic example of analysis using the spatial perspective in human geography is seen from the field of medical geography. Medical is M-E-D-I-C-A-L. In 1854, London was experiencing a serious outbreak of cholera. Cholera is spelled C-H-O-L-E-R-A. That's cholera was a disease, but the cause and transmission were yet unknown. Dr. John Snow, so D-R for Dr. John J-O-H-N, Snow, S-N-O-W.
What?
I gotta see it so I can read. It says, Dr. John Snow observed that cases were concentrated in a neighborhood called Soho, S-O-H-O, but not everyone got sick. He drew a map of the area with dots showing where people had died of the disease and double X's to show where drinking water pumps were located. So see on here? So here's where all the dots were. And these were where the drinking pumps were. And this is the kind of a map.
Yeah.
A map showing it. After observing the pattern clustered around a water pump on Broad Street, he deduced that it could be the source of the outbreak and that cholera is waterborne, which is spelled W-A-T-E-R-B-O-R-N-E, or it's spread through the water. So it's a waterborne disease. Cases dropped soon after the pump was disabled, and many lives were saved. This also spurred the city to improve its drinking water and sanitation system. Sanitation is SANITATION. Another spatial perspective example could be that of creating a chloropleth map of mail earnings in San Francisco. Francisco is FRANSC, whoop, no S. My bad. FRANCISCO, San Francisco. The darker the red, the higher the income, or how much money they make. You see this map here, it's a chloropleth map.
Yeah.
So people that live here make a lot of money, and people that live around here don't make very much money. Some of the highest income neighborhoods are clustered north, near the picturesque, it's a good word, spell it PICTURESQUE, picturesque, or visually attractive, Fisherman's Wharf, and with a view of the Golden Gate Bridge. Some of the lowest income neighborhoods are in the southeast around the city's less attractive industrial port sector. Examining these patterns can help determine why people live where they do and what factors could be involved in creating such a pattern of income distribution. DISTRIBUTION.
Yeah.
Nice. All right. Let's spell income. You got it. I and N and C and O and M and E. Good job. Let's spell attractive. A and T. Two of those. T and R and get there. A and you got it. Find your letter. C and T and I and we'll slow your body down. You got this. I. Hit the I, and find your next letter. Look at your board. Go, go, go. Gotta get all the way over there.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
I and, there it is. Get it. V and E. Nice.
Oh.
All right.
Yeah.
Let's spell concentrated. Okay, good one. C and O and N and hit that head straight. C and get it. E and N and T and go right to it. R and A and T and E and D. Concentrated. Nicely done. All right. What field of geography was in our first example of spatial analysis?
I don't know.
You got it. Go. You're right there. You were looking right at it.
Yeah.
You just have to find it. Get those eyes there. You were looking right at it. Go right to it. Little jump.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Go straight to the letter. Get it.
Yeah.
You gotta get your body there. You're going all around it. Get your body right on it. You got it. Go right to it.
Ow.
Not L. You got this.
I don't know.
Get your body there. You got it. Right to it. You're holding your pencil right over it, and then every time it moves, just at the end. So you gotta focus on it and get your eyes there. Go right to it. You got it. Go, go, go.
R.
Little jump. You got it. M. So let's do it again. Give me a good M. Elbow back.
Yeah.
Let's spell our word. Go. M and E and D and I and C and A and L. Perfect. Medical.
Done.
Good work, bud.
Yeah.
We're getting there. It's a short lesson today because we just have this left. See? We're doing pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
All right, you ready for your favorite type of question?
Yeah.
What year was London experiencing the cholera outbreak?
1854.
Exactly.
1854.
1854. That is the truth. Who was the doctor that observed the concentration of cases near the water pumps? What was his name? You can do DR for doctor. We'll start that. D and R. And what was his name? You got it. Go, go, go. Get there.
Yeah.
Go right around it. Hit that letter.
Yeah.
Go right to it.
J.
And O. And find it.
Yeah.
Slow your body down. O. And right to it. H. And N. Yep, Dr. John, what was his last name? S, and you're right there. You got it.
Yeah.
S, then N, and you got it. O, and last letter, look.
Yeah.
You're there. That's it. You just gotta get your body down. S, N, O, go right to it.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Go right to your letter. Get it.
W.
Exactly.
I we die.
Dr. John Snow. We've
Yeah.
got, let's see, 3 more questions and we'll read our summary.
Yeah.
How's that sound?
Good.
All right. Next question. The second example used a choropleth map to show male what in San Francisco?
I don't know.
E. And get there. You got
Yeah.
it. Ready? E
Yeah.
and
C.
don't poke your way down. You just gotta do little pokes and get there. Let's start with your E
Yeah.
first. Hit the E and big jump all the way. A and find your letter.
Yeah.
You got it. Elbow back.
Yeah.
Little
yeah,
pokes, go right
yeah.
to it. R and N and I and N and right to it. G, make it plural. S, earning. Nicely done.
Done.
We got 2 more. I said 3 more questions. That was 1. We'll do 2 and 3. All right. What word did the lesson use for visually attractive?
I don't know.
You got it. All the way. You're there. P and I and C and T and get there. Get your body there. There it is. You. Give me a little poke on you. U and
Yeah.
slow you down. U and R and E and S and get it. You got it. You're right there. S and I'm gonna spell that here for you.
Yeah.
Hit that S for me. S and before the U, just skip the letter. What comes before the U?
T.
Get your body there. You're looking at it.
V.
You were looking at it. Q.
Q.
Then U. Then E. Nice. Picturesque. Very good. All right. We were talking about San Francisco. What state is San Francisco in?
I don't know.
Go. You got it. Get your body there. You're looking at me and say your word.
Yeah.
Go. C and A and L and find your letter.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
L and I and
Yeah.
slow yourself down. Bring that elbow back. You ready? I and what comes next? Go. Get there.
M.
Okay, hit that I and get your eyes up. Look.
G.
You ready?
Yeah.
Get there. F, then O, then find your letter. You got it. R and N and
Yeah.
bring it back. You got it. N and I and there it is.
A.
California.
California.
San Francisco's in the top part of California. It's up
I
in the northern
read
part. We'll just listen while we read our lesson summary. How's that sound?
Good.
All right. It says geography is a Greek word that means to write about the earth, including its physical features, environments, and the people who live there. What distinguishes geography is its focus on a spatial perspective, which is all about where human and natural phenomena occur and how they interact with one another. Spatial perspective is defined as a way of looking at how phenomena and features are laid out on the Earth's surface in order to help explain and predict patterns and processes. But be they naturally occurring, you can set it down, naturally occurring or human caused. Tools and techniques employed by geographers include choropleth maps that use color or shading to show spatial numeric data, and remote sensing, in which geographic data is gathered about a feature without making physical contact with it. Spatial analysis examines places and features on Earth's surfaces along with their characteristics, locations, and relationships with each other to explain human behavior patterns in geographic space. Geographers use tools and techniques such as mapping, data analysis, and modeling to perform spatial analysis, which is at the heart of what geography is all about.
Yeah.
There we go. Good work, bud.